Hello, today we will guide you through how to withdraw money from Exness. To begin, open the Exness personal area in your browser. This is the main dashboard where you can manage your trading account, payments, and account settings. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct area before moving forward, since withdrawals are handled from the payments section rather than the trading dashboard itself. Next, look to the left-hand panel and click on Payments and Wallet. This section is where Exness groups together funding-related actions, including deposits, withdrawals, and wallet management. If you are navigating this area for the first time, it may help to move slowly and read the menu labels carefully so you select the correct option. After that, click on Withdrawal. This will take you to the page where available withdrawal options are shown. At this stage, the platform may display different methods depending on your region, account type, or the payment methods previously used on your account. That is normal. So just focus on choosing the option that best matches how you want to receive your funds. Now click on your preferred withdrawal method. You may see options such as bank-related methods, e-wallets, or other supported services. Choose the one that is most convenient for you and make sure it is a method you can access easily. It is always a good idea to double-check that the method you pick is active and that the destination details are correct before continuing. Once you have selected the method, follow the procedure shown on your screen and fill out the required information. The exact fields can vary depending on the withdrawal method, so simply enter the requested details carefully and review everything before moving on. Accuracy is important here because even a small mistake in the information entered could delay the withdrawal process or require you to repeat the request. When you have completed all the required information, click Continue. This submits your withdrawal request and moves you to the next stage of the process. After that, just follow any final prompts that appear on screen, if applicable, and wait for the request to be processed according to the selected payment method. That's it. By going to the Exness personal area, opening Payments and Wallet, selecting Withdrawal, choosing your preferred method, entering the required details, and clicking Continue, you can complete your withdrawal request smoothly. Be sure to review all information carefully before submission to help avoid delays.